A very warm welcome to all of you. Well, it's the time to focus on the ongoing JEE Mains exam for the students who are appearing for it. Now, certain important points that let me first fix my camera. Certain important points that they must ponder upon in order to study syllabus wise. So, in order to prepare for JEE Mains exam, my focus would be to make you inform about the syllabus of JEE Mains, how to categorize the syllabus. Now, it is very important to understand what the syllabus is and the important concept that you need to be aware of. In order to do that, you must divide the syllabus of class 11th physics basically into different parts. The first part that will be kinematics. Now, kinematics, it basically includes the study of body in motion. In simple words, that you need to study about the characteristics such as speed, velocity, acceleration, and other different aspects such as relative velocity, of a body that is in motion. Now, these are the properties which expresses the motion of a body, which expresses the properties which arise due to the motion of a body. Now, you have to be clear about all these concepts very clearly. Kinematics. The second is the dynamics. Dynamics, that basically deals with forces, different forces. You can say it basically includes Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. You will have rotational dynamics. Rotational motion, you can say, that is included in this topic itself, which starts from center of mass moment of inertia, moment of moment moment, moment of inertia, moment of inertia is a very important topic. Center of mass is also a very important topic. You need to know the basic concepts, only the basic concepts will do. Basic concepts, how we can calculate the center of mass, how does the center of mass changes if a chunk of mass is removed from a body. What is center of mass? It is basically a distance that you need to know. The third, you can divide the big chunk is number 3, work, energy and power, gravitation. Now, you can include gravitation and work, energy, power in the same way, in the same sense. The next, you will have properties of solid, liquid and gas. These you need to study as a whole. The questions will be asked from the properties of liquid, which includes the Pascal's law, fluid mechanics, you can say, fluid mechanics, that is the properties of liquid, you can say. You have viscous force, you have a Stokes law, etc. Properties of gas, basically that deals with kinetic theory of gases, KTG. Kinetic theory of gases, various assumptions are there, the properties for kinetic energy, the expression for kinetic energy, root mean square value of velocity that you have to calculate for different gases. The next big chunk is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, basically it focuses on laws of thermodynamics. Second law is most important. Second law of thermodynamics is most important. Now, the questions, majority questions are asked from second law of thermodynamics, basically Carnot's engine. And the last but not the least, the last topic is, okay, and in thermodynamics heat is also included, Joule's law of heating basically. And the last sixth part for the physics of class 11th is oscillation and waves. In oscillation and waves, you need to basically focus on SHM, Doppler's effect. Basically, the questions are asked from these portions. Now, these topics are interconnected to each other. I mean, the question asked is not simple. Sometimes what you will see, the question from dynamics that includes the concept of kinematics, the question of work, energy and power that can include the concepts from dynamics, the question from thermodynamics that can be either included the concepts from dynamics, that can include the concepts from kinematics as well. So, intermingled concepts in one question, you will see different concepts from different portions can be included. So, my advice is that you must prepare these topics very individually first, independently first, and then work on the questions that are interrelated conceptually of the different topics. That's all. In the next video, I will discuss how to divide the syllabus of class 12th physics for JEE Mains examination. Thank you.